Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, October the 11th, 2024. Almost end of the week. Tomorrow it's weekend. In this newspaper we have also in this newspaper we have three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, jigsaw Sudoku, another jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. This one with 1 star. Previous one with 4 stars, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now. I will do this in the evening. The 4 puzzles in the additional. Now I will solve these 3 puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, what's happening with Puff Daddy? Yes, this is Puff Daddy. Scandal in the US. Puff Daddy, yes, he's a musician, and he has a lot of parties in the past, and one of his party, I believe, the Freak Offs party, yeah, with a lot of sex, with a lot of hookers and blackmail, and wow, what a story. Well, you need to find the story on the internet. I won't tell you. I will start with the puzzles. This one will be number 9418. 9418. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. 26. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, there are only 3 places left. For the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the row below, no 4 there. The only place left for 4 is should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, now only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 5 in this big square. Should be there, 5, 5. Then let me see, 5, 5, 5, 5. We have a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have 2 and a 5 in this row, so no 2 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 and a 5 in this column, no 2 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there, 5, 5. Well, cannot continue with the 5. And the 9. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay, and now. And now. 3, 3, 3, 3. Come on. 5, 5. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, 1. Yeah, I'm thinking. 9, 4, 5, 7, 5, 4. Well, in this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left is 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7. Well, need a 2. Need a 6 and a 8. 2, 6, 8. White. 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 2 there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 1, 6, 7. Well. Then, let me see. One of the missing number in this column is number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 6, 7, 6, 6, 6, 6. 1, 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Need a 6. Need a 2. Yep, we have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 2 and a 6. We have 2 and a 6 in this big square, so no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 5, 5. 5, 5. No, 5, 5. Need a 5 here or there. Well. How about the 2 then? 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Need a 6. Need a 7. And need a 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. 3 and 8. Needs weight. How about these two missing numbers? 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. Oh, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. That means 1 digit left in this row. I believe the 7 here. I've eliminated here the 7. 7 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. This one is reserved for the 3 and 8. So we need a 7 here. So 3 missing numbers in the last column. For numbers, 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. 3, 8, and no. Need a 1 here. Well, 1 could be here, could be there. That means this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. Need a 6 here. 3 and 8, okay. About these 3 missing numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8. No. 1, 3, 8. 3 and 8. 8 and 7. We have a 7 now. Last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1, 3, 8. 3, 8. Here can be an 8. 1, 6, and a 3. 1, 6, and a 3. Well, we need an 8 in this column. First column. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in this big square. No 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in third row. No 8 there. So the only place level 8 should be there. So we need an 8 there. 8 in this row. 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 6. Let me mark those. How about need a 5 here. 1 box left now in this column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing here. Well, I need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 2, 6, 3, and 5 are missing. 3 and 5. Well, we need a 5 here. And you need a 5. There, 1, 2, 5. This box 3 on 8. Well, we have an 8 now, so this box should be a 3. So we have 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places level 8 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. 3 on 8. We have 8 here, so this box should be a 3. 3 on 8. We have a 3 now, so this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those. 3, 6, and a 2. Okay. 3 and a 6 and a 5. 2 and 3, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 1 and a 7, we have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be, and a 7 goes there, 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here, 1 there, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, so the 2 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. 2 and 5, the other pair should be the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and a 7, we have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there, 7 should be, and a 6 goes there, 2 or 6, we have a 6 now, so this box should be a 2, 2 and a 6, we have a 2 in this column, so this box should be a 6, 2 and a 6, we have a 6 already, so this box should be a 2, so 3 and a 6 are left, 3 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 to 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 and 5, we have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers, 2 and 3, we have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, we solved it again. Not faster than 15, let me give this a 2 stars. But we solved it again, and I like this one here, so really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.